Hi there, I am Melody Mooney, and today I'm giving you some tips on how to fold your clothes. And we're going to be working on folding a jacket today. So first things first, I like to take my jacket and kind of shake it out and go through the pockets. If this is going to be stored or put somewhere kind of away, maybe after the winter, I usually go through and make sure that there's nothing in the pockets. Because sometimes my husband's like, where's my iPod? Where's my second wallet? And it's been folded and put away for the summer. So I go through even all the secret hidden pockets in the side here, make sure nothing is in there. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and zip it up. So what you're going to need is a really flat surface to work on. I always fold my clothes on a kitchen table, or you can do it on the bed or the floor, just a flat surface. And get yourself one of these piece of cardboards, 1x1 cardboard. I'll show you what to do with that in just a second, but it helps you fold. Okay, so take the jacket, and you're going to lay it down flat on your folding surface with your arms outstretched like that, flat. Good. Okay. All right. Now for the cardboard. I want you to put it in the middle under the shoulders of the jacket, kind of in the center of the jacket. There you go, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to take the left hand cuff and the bottom of the jacket and fold it in to where the material meets the cardboard. So there's a nice fold all the way down the jacket. Now I'm going to take the left hand cuff and fold it back towards the cardboard. And now I'm going to do it on the right. So take your right cuff and the bottom of your right jacket and fold it into where the material meets the cardboard. Take this right cuff and fold it back to the cardboard, just like that. Okay, smooth it out a bit. Now, I'm going to take the bottom and fold it up to where it reaches the cardboard. You can feel it underneath the material. Give it a nice smooth line. Okay. Now, the magic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and slide this piece of cardboard out the top, put it to the side. Now, that's going to leave me with just one more fold. I'm going to take the bottom and fold it up to the shoulders. So, there you have it. Look at how flat that is. Remember how bulky and big that was? Now it's down to flat, so you could put it in the back of your car, you could put it in storage, anywhere. And it's nice and flat and totally folded. So that is how we fold a jacket.